Okay, this is a follow-up video about the bumper that we put on the Honda Pioneer 1000 3-seater. We put this bumper on about 2 weeks ago, and one of the things that we said in the end of the video was that it would be a lot better if you hit something to bend the bumper than to bend the back of the Pioneer, because the bed for this, or the tailgate for this, is several $100s. And if you bend it, these are not reinforced, it's inevitably going to hurt that and hurt that also. So it's a lot better to bend this. So what happened this past weekend is that someone hit us from behind in another Pioneer, and the bumper did its job. These bumper brackets used to be perfectly straight when we put them on. So what we've done is put a level on this one to show you what happened. This bracket actually has, I don't know if you can see it, there's a hole right there and a hole right there, and there's a cut in the bar or in the bracket that's intentional, and it's designed to allow it to buckle, and this bend is also designed to allow it to buckle, and that's what happened. When the other Pioneer hit this one, both these brackets buckled, and you can see how much it buckled. So we set the level here, and you can see how it bent in, what, about 30 degrees or so. And if you look at the bottom of it, let me look at it from the side. You can see the bend in it right there. It got hit a pretty good lick. The bumper did its job. It absorbed the impact, and there's no damage to the vehicle whatsoever. So the bumper, I'm sort of surprised it bent that easily, but it was a good investment because it protected the vehicle. But that's how these brackets are designed. They're designed so that they can bend fairly easy, and they'll absorb the impact so that your real expensive vehicle is not hurt.